Students of 8th class, let us study moral science, or rather make a revision of our syllabus. And we have chapter or unit 8, that is a leadership quality. It's a very interesting chapter, students, as it has a beautiful story of two brothers. So, first let us have a brainstorming session in the revision. Students, in the early video, we had discussed about the quality of a good leader. So we have what quality should be there in the leader? Initiative. That means he must be himself beginning a work. He should be ready to begin his he himself should begin his work. Then a team. Then he should not be selfish. That is the greatest quality. Faithfulness. He should be faithful towards little things and discipline. Then vision. He should see a vision. What is the future of everything? Then teamwork. He should unite the team together. Enthusiasm. He should have that zeal and enthusiasm within. Aim should be there. And then if he has all the quality, he should be more confident. He should have confidence what he's doing with the team. So he should lead. Leader is to lead. You can see in the picture. A leader is leading the team. So I asked you then to write one or two lines regarding all this. Okay. Then students, we have seen the leader, the best leader of a story. Okay. This is a story of two brothers, two king's son who went for a task, and the elder one appears to be a great leader. The smaller brother also works greater, but the greatest work is done by the elder brother. He proved to be a good leader. So what did he do in the story at the end? The king says, "My son, what you say is true. Your brother had the initiative to modify the dam to improve it." So what was the task given to two sons? To modify the dam. And what did he do? He has the wisdom to propose something which would improve the lives of everyone. And he convinced the villagers to work quickly, convincing the team players or whatever may be, whatever is under you. You have to convince properly. So he managed to convince the villagers, and he got the work done quickly. His commitment was so great that he himself was the one who worked hardest on the project and forgetting his princely status. So that was the moral of the story. Then the prince left deep in thought, and he came to recognize the words of his father, indeed pointed to the greatness of his brother. So that is a leadership. Then students, we have seen good leader as an organizer. Organizing needs patience and adjustability. Okay, a leader will have to deal with members with different behavior, character, views. The leader will have to listen to all this opinion and make a decision. Organizing is important because it makes everyone work together. So there are 10 principles for leader. You go through these 10 principles. Okay. And if you have any doubt, you can clear online. Okay. When I have a history class. So we have Subhash Chandra Bose, a good leader. Vallabhbhai Patel had been a good leader. Mahatma Gandhi, based on his principles on non-violence, had been a great leader for the country. So students, learn about them and get inspired from all this, get inspired from the story of two brothers, and also get inspired from all these leaders. Okay. of India and do the question answers properly. And here we have a great leader of the world, especially of South Africa, who fought for apartheid, Nelson Mandela, or president of South Africa. He had been a president. Okay, so we have a great leaders of the world and also of India. So you must learn about them. Thank you.